Hi folks, John here from Camp Valaqua, and I wanted to share 90 seconds of nature with you today. So I'm walking down to the lodge and there's something that's stopping me from getting there, and that is just over in front of the lodge on the other side of the sign right there is a cow moose, and she is eating those lower leaves on those papa trees and really quite enjoying herself. She is fairly unconcerned with my presence. You do have to be careful around moose. They're very cool and very fun to see them, but especially this time of year. It's early October. It's kind of the middle of the moose rut, which is when moose tried to breed, and they can get a little aggressive, especially the bull moose. In fact, just last week, couple days ago, I was walking down the lodge and there was a bull moose eating in that exact same spot, just a little guy with little antlers. But he was not ready to run away from me until my dogs decided to bark at him, and then he took off into the trees. I have been charged by moms with babies too, so in the springtime or even in the summer when they have babies around, you want to be careful. Moose are a cool thing to check out, but this is about as close as I'm going to get to this one right here. I hope you're safe, I hope you're well, and I hope you enjoyed 90 Seconds of Nature.